Excuse me.
Think your neighborhood is safe?
It's empty. I swear to God, it's empty. Dude, look, it's empty, bro. I swear to God, bro. Look.
Tens of millions of dollars.
These Ring doorbell camera clips might make you think twice.
The police are being called. Remove yourself now.
Charlotte, North Carolina.
Hi, can I help you?
I don't mean to bother. I'm just trying to use I just need a cell phone. I just got robbed.
No, we're not home.
A man went door to door asking to use the phone, claiming he'd been robbed. He approached multiple homes in the area. Charlotte, North Carolina. A man attempted to break into a home using a tool.
The police are being called. Remove yourself now.
Always check your doorbell app notifications. Glendale, Arizona.
Please. Please. I'm desperate.
Hi. It may take a moment to answer. Please wait.
A woman, possibly under the influence, showed up acting erratically.
Freaking out too. Please. I need help. Please. Tens of millions. They're shooting right now. Please. Can I come through? Please. I'm desperate. I'm desperate. Tens of millions of dollars. Please, can I come in for a minute? Please, I'm desperate. They're gonna. Please, you're right there. Please. I know I look crazy right now because they're gonna. Those people right there. Look at right there. They're gonna. Please. I'm desperate. I'm desperate. Please, I'm desperate. I know I look crazy because I'm dehydrated and I'm terrified. Please, I'm desperate. I'm desperate.
Always stay cautious and avoid opening the door. Elmwood Park, Illinois.
Plumber? Oh, sorry. Why did I get the wrong address again?
Why are you opening the door without even ringing the bell?
Because he told me to walk in. I'm doing a...
No, thank you. No, yeah, don't do that again.
Yeah, you said the guy would be in there.
No.
Who is this? I got the wrong address. I'm sorry.
If it's not your house, don't touch the door. Chicago, Illinois. This is a good reminder to grab your deliveries as soon as possible. Thieves are quick and they're watching.
You're not you, dog. Bro, I'm serious, bro. Look, why are you doing this to me, bro? I gave you my... I don't even know who you are, homie. I don't. I don't know who you are, bro. I'm 50 years old, dog. I mean, I'm serious, bro. I didn't do nothing to you, dog. Look, bro, hey, look, I'm serious, bro, look.
When I tell you to come here, you come here. What else you got, bro?
I don't got nothing, dog. I don't got nothing.
Empty them pockets. Empty that pocket.
My pockets are empty,
Empty
dog.
that pocket. Empty that
My
pocket.
pockets is empty. Look, it's empty, dog. It's empty. I swear to God, it's empty, dog. Dude, look, it's empty, bro. I swear to God, bro, look.
Empty.
Sacramento, California.
Wallahi, have a great night. Palestine.
Disturbing the household after the kids had just fallen asleep. Elmhurst, New York. A porch pirate was caught red-handed trying to steal a package.
Yeah.
Definitely one of those satisfying moments when they get exactly what they deserve. Charlotte, North Carolina. Can't even keep those safe these days. Stay alert. St. Paul, Minnesota.
Excuse me. I don't know where my son
Reminder,
is.
not every knock at night needs an answer.
I don't mean to interrupt you this day and night. Where's my son?
Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Early in the morning, a homeowner got a doorbell app alert and discovered their car was being robbed.
Hey, I see you! I see you! I see you! Get the away from my car, mother!
Allentown, Pennsylvania. An intruder broke into a home through a window and took their time stealing multiple items. This is a strong reminder. Don't just lock your doors. Make sure your windows are secured too. New York, New York. A woman was caught on camera attempting to force entry into an apartment on the Lower East Side. She appeared disoriented and was seen loitering in the hallway before trying the door. She's also suspected of stealing packages in the building. This footage has been reported to the NYPD. Sacramento, California.
Can I help you? Hello, can I help you?
Hi.
Hi, you're in my backyard. Can I help you?
No, but I need some for food.
Can you please get out of my backyard? Thank you. I need you to exit my backyard. You're on my property. I need you to leave my backyard before I call the police.
Okay, thank you.
Immediately. I need you to leave my backyard.
Sorry.
It might seem minor, but trespassing is still trespassing. Stay aware of who's around your property. Rancho Cordova, California. A package was stolen just 2 minutes after it was delivered. The homeowner attempted to chase the porch pirate even from a wheelchair. But unfortunately, the thief got away. Rancho Cordova, California. A man rang the doorbell at 3:30 a.m., and his reason for being there is
I can't
unknown.
answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, I'm curious if you were looking for a husband. I like to put my hat in the ring. I just clocked it. I'm sorry, it took me long enough. Hurry.
If anyone recognizes him or knows what this was about, speak up. Citrus Heights, California. An older woman was seen going through multiple mailboxes. While it's possible she may have a cognitive condition, a neighbor also caught her doing the same on their camera. Tampa, Florida. Around midnight, a man showed up at this house asking for some kind of help.
Hey, I'm sorry, man. I was broke down. I just need a little help. Is there anyone around?
Would you believe him? Let us know in the comments.
Hey, I'll walk away, man. It's fine. Dude, I just broke down. I really needed some help, and if you guys are not around, that's cool, man. That's cool. Let's go. I will leave.
Albuquerque, New Mexico.
And it's asking me to listen to Ashley Smith asking why the dad don't shut up about some penny. Well, then why aren't you shutting your mouth? Because I'm tired of getting. Do you not hear me? Well, then shut your mouth. Now. Because that's your mess. Yes, it is.
Seriously? What's wrong with you, dude? Respect public spaces.
Somebody stand me.
Chicago, Illinois. Yet another guy walked by, spotted some flowers outside, and decided to steal multiple of them. Seriously, what is it with people? Can't even keep flowers out front anymore without them disappearing. Daytona Beach, Florida. Shout out to this awesome guy who found a puppy wandering outside and took the time to follow it home safely.
Hey, we found a lost dog. There's this dog on the foot.
Came up to your house. We're hoping maybe he's yours.
Is this your
Is this your
dog?
dog?
Yes, thank you.
Alright,
Okay.
the cops are probably gonna be looking for it. I called the
Yeah,
cops.
he was
It was
all over the road.
all the way by McDonald's.
Thank you.
We literally chased it all the way here. So, you guys are welcome.
Thank you.
Sorry, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Big thumbs up for doing the right thing and reuniting the pup with its family. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Chaos unfolded early in the morning as police raided a home, possibly in connection with illegal activity.
Attention occupants of 351831 Avenue North. This is the head of the county sheriff conducting search occupants of 351831 Avenue North. This is the head of the county sheriff conducting search warrants. Show your hand and turn yourself to the nearest deputy. Attention occupants of 351831 Avenue North. This is the head of the county sheriff conducting search warrants.
Officers remained on scene for about an hour. No official details yet, but the situation drew a lot of attention. Washington, D.C. A must-watch clip for everyone, especially women and mothers. A woman was walking into her home when a creepy man followed closely behind her. Always stay aware of your surroundings and never hesitate to call the police in situations like this.
I'm trying to see if you can help me out.
Allentown, Pennsylvania. The homeowner says they don't know who she is or why she was there. Reminder, never open the door for strangers. Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Can I help you?
Can you open the door?
What? Who are you and why are you on my porch?
I rented your property.
What?
Property.
Get off my porch. I'm calling the cops right now.
He claimed he was renting the property, but later told police he thought it was his brother's house. It gave the homeowner quite a scare. Police spoke with him and then let him walk away. Stay cautious out there. Richmond, Virginia. A neighbor no one wants. This guy slashed all the tires on a homeowner's car. Seriously, what is going on with people these days? Unacceptable behavior. Stay alert and report anything suspicious. Rancho Cordova, California. Check out this lady.
What time is it? I don't even know.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Can you please help me? I'm trying to find 30. 806. Please.
East Elmhurst, New York. A man appeared to be running from someone and entered a home without permission. This is a reminder to always keep your doors locked tightly and stay vigilant. South Ozone Park, New York. A homeowner who is a widow tried to evict a tenant who hadn't paid rent for 18 months. The tenant threatened the homeowner, claiming she has a cop friend. This is the situation that followed.
If you don't open the door, I'm just gonna take the door. Open the door. I know you hear me and I know you're home. Open the door. My last attempt, or I'm taking the door down. Up to you. Open the door. Ma'am, open the door or I'm taking the door. I'm giving you one last chance. Open the door. Open.
No, I'm not. I just want to say something about
Fresno, California. Another man was caught trying the doorknob, attempting to enter a home.
What are you doing? Can I help you? Can I help you? I'm calling the cops. What are you doing? What do you want?
Yeah.
Get the dogs. Don't open the door. I'm not gonna open the door. What do you want? Muchacho?
Buffalo, New York.
Come on. Right here. Sit down.
Hey.
Sit down. Sit down for me. Here you go. Put your feet up.
They left him outside a home that isn't his without verifying if he actually lived there. The whole situation raises serious questions.
Hey, I grew up at this house.
Have a good night, Paul.
Thank you.
Stay aware of what's happening in your neighborhood.
Gonna call the cops. I'm calling the cops already. What are you doing? What? I have you on camera. I have you on camera.
Salinas, California. Even high fences aren't always enough. This guy literally climbed over the fence and stole an item from the property. Just a reminder to stay alert and secure anything valuable, even behind fences. Campbell, California. Lately, there's been a noticeable rise in suspicious individuals roaming the neighborhood after midnight. Rancho Cordova, California. Anyone recognize her? Was she really lost? Or was it something else? Let us know what you think. Stay cautious, especially with unexpected visitors at odd hours. Santa Rosa, California. Around 12:30 a.m. near King and Carr, this suspicious man showed up and had something to say.
I have a little psychopath, and I don't.
Here.
No, I swear I'm not going to do anything bad. I live right there.
Right.
I walked next to your house for like my entire life.
Uh-huh.
I live right in 6770 Boulevard. I just have a person that's like really a psychopath. All I'm doing is trying to ask for help. That's all.
I
Just
can't
just
let
me.
you in. I can't. I
No,
can call
just
the
me.
cops.
Just me. I swear to God.
No, I'm not letting you in. That would be stupid. Besides, I've got 5 dogs here that's
Well,
not
can I
going to take it.
can I sit there at least?
No. I don't
Can
know
I
you.
at least
No.
get some help?
No, I'll call the cops for you.
Okay.
Where do I need to send them to?
Just right here, I guess.
No, I don't want the cops here at my house. I have no reason for them. Send them to your
I
house.
don't know the number across the street.
No, but they had to go to your place. They're not coming here.
I've been never across the street. I
Get
don't
another
know.
house to call because my husband wakes up. He's going to me and you.
So you're gonna have
Warning, don't answer your door. He's clearly not all there. Stay safe and alert.